Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how I do my hair. Usually I just keep it up in a bun. I don't really do much to it, but the times that I do have to or do want to fix it, this is what I'll do. So my hair has just air dried and now I am straightening out just the top portion of my hair. I'm not worried about the bottom portion because I'm going to curl it. So I'll just get the straightener with the brush and start brushing through the top of my hair and just making sure that it's straight and it doesn't have too many creases. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side. And I'm not worried about it being perfect. I just want to smooth it out just a bit so it doesn't have those crazy creases from the hair tie that I had in my hair. So this is what I do. I just try to straighten it as much as I can. And then I don't even know the brand of this straightener, but the curling wand that I'll be using is, I believe it's a 1-inch from Numi. So I'll leave everything linked down below as well. So now I'm going to get the curling wand and I'm going to start at the front section of my hair. I'll grab about like an inch or two, and then the front pieces I do wrap away from my face. So that's what I'm doing here. And I only leave it in a few seconds because this curling wand does get pretty hot. I believe it goes up to 410 to 450 degrees. I'm not sure. And so the next piece I'm grabbing, I'm wrapping around the wand going forward. And then after that, the next pieces, I really don't pay attention to which way I wrap it because I don't want the curls to all look the same. And I don't grab the same thickness of hair either. It's just whatever pieces I can grab. And I also keep it to the lower portion of my hair. I try not to curl it higher than my chin, just so it looks a little bit more natural. The only pieces that I do curl a little bit higher are the front pieces that frame my face, just to make sure that the hair is pretty much out of my face. As you can see here, I'm going towards the roots of my hair, and some of the pieces didn't come out as curled as I wanted them to, so that's why I'm just going back to kind of fix it up a little bit. And then I'm going to do the same on the opposite side. So I'll just go ahead and speed this through so you guys can see, because it's the same as I did on the other side. And then we'll move on to the next step once I'm finished. Alright, now that I finished curling my hair, I did go ahead and change my shirt just so you guys can see the curls a little bit better. So now I'll go in with this biosilk oil. I love this oil. I love the way it smells too, and it just gives a nice shine to my hair. And I use about a dime size, maybe even less, and I'll just run this through my hands before putting it in my hair, and then I'll start at the lower part of my hair, and the ends and kind of rub it through just because it tends to look a little bit more dry at the ends. And then I'm also going to be putting this right at the roots, not to like saturate the top of my hair, but to make sure the little flyaways are tamed. And then I'll go in with this Beach Babe spray. I like this a lot for texture. So I use it after the oil, and it smells really good. It smells like coconut, and it kind of gives like a, I don't want to say like a sticky feel, but kind of a stickiness to the hair, and it just gives it a lot of texture, and I like that a lot. And I'll just spray it on the ends and then kind of scrunch it up with my hair to kind of separate the curls. And then from there, I'm gonna go in and use the Batiste dry shampoo. And then with this one that I have right now is just a sample, not a sample, a travel size. So I'm just gonna put this on my roots just to give it a little bit more volume. And it does come out white, so you kind of have to be careful and make sure that you blend it in your hair. So I'm going to spray this all over my roots and then in the front of my hair as well. And then I'm kind of just going to shake it with my hands to make sure that everything is, blended in with my hair and you don't see any white spots. And then I'm going to go back in with the Beach Babe spray to kind of wet it a little bit more to get rid of the powder look. And I feel like this Beach Babe spray also gives a little bit of volume on top of the Batiste dry shampoo. So this is what I do for my hair if I just want to get ready a little bit and curl it. This is what I'll do. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more like this, then go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.